Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best motorcycle intercoms 2024, so let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. Number 5. Fodsports M1S Pro Motorcycle Bluetooth Intercom, waterproof motorcycle intercom headset supporting 8 riders over 2000 m range. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free calls, music sharing, and FM radio. Ideal for group communication. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. Number 4. Fodsports FX8 Pro Motorcycle Bluetooth Intercom, dual Bluetooth intercom headset for 8 riders, featuring music sharing, waterproof design, and up to 2000 m range. Perfect for group rides and uninterrupted communication. Number 3. EJEAS Q8 Motorcycle Bluetooth Intercom, Bluetooth 5.1 helmet intercom for 6 riders with Mesh 3.0 technology, 1200 m range, FM radio, music sharing, and IP67 waterproof design. Ideal for all-weather group rides. Please consider to subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 2. Freedconn R3 Pro Helmet Intercom with Dash Cam, Bluetooth motorcycle intercom for 8 riders, equipped with a 1440p dash cam, Wi-Fi app, music sharing, and FM radio. Waterproof design with 800 m range. Number 1. LEXIN-MeshCom Motorcycle Mesh Intercom, advanced helmet intercom with mesh technology supporting up to 24 riders. Features parallel audio intercom, Bluetooth connectivity, and durable waterproof design for extended communication. Thanks for watching.